I know you have been seeing this kind of food and you love it very well. You see people eat it, you see people carry it everywhere, and you are wondering, how is this food being prepared? Especially if you are not from Enugu, Nigeria, or you don't have anybody around you that cooks it. But not to worry, in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on the easiest way to prepare this delicious okpa Enugu okpa. You don't need much ingredients. What you just need is your pepper, your salt, and your okpa flour. See this uziza seed. I have blended small inside this pepper, so I'm not going to use the seed again. But remember, the seed is optional if you love it. But please don't add crayfish, don't add all the other orishirishi. Is not needed. To get the natural taste of this okpa, you have to just use your salt, your pepper, and the highest you can use is this uziza seed. Please, so let's dive into it. So in the bowl containing your okpa flour, you add a red oil to it, then you add a little warm water. Yes, you are going to use warm water for this purpose, so you must have boil your water, mix it down to become warm, or allow it to cool to become warm. Then you start mixing. At this point, this is the only time you can add extra red oil if there is need. After this stage, you cannot add any red oil again to your okpa, popularly known as bambara nut. Yes, that is the English name. So you start mixing. As you are mixing, you are topping a little water to it. So this is how the thickness is after mixing the first set. So at this stage, I've been topping a little water. As I'm adding water, you are mixing it. As you are adding water bit by bit, you are mixing it to make sure that all the okpa flour is well blended with the water. See it now, before you can add another water. At this stage, as you are doing it, you are using your hand to break every seed that might be found in the okpa. If you do your okpa at the end of the day and there are seeds in it, you are not going to enjoy it after cooking. So see how the water is well blended with the okpa. Then I'm trying to see if there is any seed. Then I will use my hand to break it very well to make sure that everything is well blended, that everything is very smooth, no seeds found. Then you have to check for the texture of your water. If you love your okpa very soft, then you have to add adequate water to it. If you want it a little bit thick, then you have to make sure that there is not too watering. This is where you add all the water in it. Then when you have finished breaking all the seed, that there is no seed on it and everything is well blended, then it is time to add your ingredients, which is your salt and your pepper. I have checked it and everyone is good. I now added my salt to it. So this is, I'm trying to mix the salt very well to it. I add extra one to it to make sure that it is well blended in it. Then after adding your salt, then you bring your pepper. Remember, in this case, I've mixed small uziza seed inside the pepper I will be using for this purpose. Then I bring my pepper. This is my already blended pepper. I pour it there. Then at this point, I have to cover up my hand a bit before stirring this, you know now. So I start mixing it very well to make sure that the pepper blended well with the already mixture. So after blending it well with already mixture, then I will just check for salt. It is important to check for salt to know whether you are going to top another little salt or it is okay. If you check for salt at this time and find out that maybe it's salty a bit, then you can top a little water. After that, I start tying it. I tie it on the on this nylon. Then at this point you should make sure there is a hot water already boiling on the fire, because you have to place it inside already boiling water. After tiling, I place it inside already boiling water. That is how I do all of them till all the mixture I have finished. Then I cover the pot very well. I use this pepper to cover the pot very well to make sure the okpa is cooked very well. No atom of breeze is entering it, so that it can cook very well. Then I'll allow it to cook for 1 hour. After 1 hour, I come to check it, and my delicious, yummicious okpa dị ọkụ, Okpa Enugu State is well ready, waiting to be eaten, either with your coke, either with your pap, or any other mixture you want to use it for. I hope you love the process. It's very, very simple. How do you love making your own okpa? Let me know in the comments. Have you tested this okpa before and you like it? Let me know in the comments. Is there other easy way that you prefer? Let me know in the comments. And please, before you go, don't forget to like this video and tell me how you feel about the process I used.